Hi children, good morning. How are you all? Hope everyone is fine. Right children? Yeah. Before going to our topic, I want to ask one question. What is that question? I'll not ask the same question. It's a different. How many of you have done yesterday's homework? What I gave yesterday? You have to list out the family members' names and you have to write the items which they ate and you have to list out the components. Yeah children? How many of you have done? Very few, right? So everyone is thinking that ma'am is staying at home, we are also staying at home. Who will see us? Who will check our homeworks? Yeah children, everyone is thinking like that. No, it is wrong. Because you have to write your homework. It is of compulsory children. You have to write your homework and you have to take a snap and you have to post it in Nirbhaya HS notifications so that we will check your homeworks through that app. Okay. Yesterday, what we discussed? What is our topic? So before in your 6th class, you have learned what is the food, what is our favorite food, what are the ingredients and how to prepare that food. So we have learned in 6th class. So in the 7th class, what we are going to read? What are the food components? Yesterday I said no. What are the components present in the food? Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals and fibers. So what are they? Carbohydrates. So I'll just recall yesterday's topic. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates means which will provide energy. So which will provide energy. If you are eating the rice, cereals, breakfast, to that it will provide more energy to us so that we can work. Without energy, can we? No children. Without energy, we can't. So, for example, you are sleeping. While you are sleeping, you are thinking that you need energy. Why? We are sleeping, no? Why we need energy, ma'am? How many of you will tell, yes, we need energy? How many of you will tell, no? In my point of view, I'll tell yes. Shall I tell the reason, children? While sleeping also we need energy. Why we need energy? Because while we are sleeping also we will breathe, right? So if you are not breathing means what will happen? So everyone knows. So breathing. We'll breathe in and breathe out. And the circulation of blood inside the circulation process will be going on. So the circulation of blood. So what is that process called? Circulatory system. So it will send blood throughout the blood vessels throughout our body. Right children? So we need energy. When we are sleeping also we need energy. So okay, if it is an afternoon meal, you have not taken your meal. So what will happen? Afternoon meal, if you are not taking meals, you will lose some energy, right? Okay, if it is afternoon meal, okay. You have not eaten for one day. How it will be? You will be weak. Okay, you will feel somewhat feeling without energy. How you will be? So in the same way. So if you are not having food for 1 week, can we stay children that much longer time without food? We can't, right? So food plays the main role in our life, right? If you are taking the food, only we will get energy. With that energy only we can survive our life, right? So we need energy. So if you want energy means what you have to? You have to eat. Now this is the crucial time. So everyone is telling that if it is a COVID-19 means, if anyone is affected with the COVID-19, what they have to do? They have to build their immunity power. So for building up immunity power, what do you want? What do you want, children? You want to eat, you want to drink boiled water, you have to eat egg, right? So the protein food, the vitamin food, you have to take the vegetables, fruits, you have to eat daily. Yeah, children? If you want to gain immunity means you have to take this all, right? Yeah. So the carbohydrates, it provides energy. Without energy, can we? No, right? So carbohydrates will provide energy. For example, if you will eat rice, cereals, then we'll get the energy. So coming to the proteins. Proteins means it will be useful for growth. Yesterday I said no, for bodybuilding purpose. So in this way. So examples are pulses, cereals and eggs. Coming to the fats. Fats will give the only instant energy. It will not give boost up for us. So just it will give the instant energy. So for instant energy means, so what are those? Yesterday I said no, oil, butter, these are all will give the instant energy. This is the fat content food, which we should not take more, the fat content food. They have to take it in less amount. So coming to the vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals means what? They'll protect our body. So through it will fight with the diseases. It will fight with the diseases. So it will not affect through the diseases if the vitamins and minerals are with you. So coming to the fibers. So the fiber content food, if you are taking the fiber content food, so then it will prevent from the constipation. So these are all the components present in our food. So that children, yesterday I said no, so if you are taking as an example of milk packet or chips packet or any Maggi noodles packet, whatever it may be. So if you are seeing that, we can see the components which are present and in which amount. If it is a biscuit packet, what are the components are present in that. So once see either vitamins and minerals are present in that, how much, in which quantity it will be, how many carbohydrates are there. So we can see by seeing our biscuit packets. So yesterday I said you can also list out from the biscuits, from the packets, how much components are there. So you have to list out that also. So yesterday we discussed this about the components of the food, and you have to list out the details of components which are present in biscuit packets and chips packet. In that milk packet, how much quantity of carbohydrates are there, how much quantity of proteins, how much quantity of fats are there. So list out, children. And coming to the test. So we are testing out for the starch. If you want to test for the starch, what do you want? You have to take a test tube. Take a test tube or a cup. You have to take a test tube or cup and then add some iodine crystals. Iodine crystals are there, no? So I think it will be present in our house also. So you have to take a cup and you have to add some iodine crystals. So after that what will happen? You have to dilute it. Dilute it with water. You have to dilute it with water till it becomes light yellow or brown in color. So you have to take a test tube and you have to add the crystals, iodine crystals, and then you have to add with the water, and you have to wait till it becomes light yellow or brown. Then you have to take that sample from the test tube and then you have to add few drops of dilute iodine crystals to the sample. So for example, if you want to test the starch, then you have to, what you have done, the yellow color and the brown color is there, no? So you have to take a small drop and you have to test it. So what you have to test, in that you have to test by dropping that a small drop. So this is the test for the starch. Starch means what, children? So in your houses also they will do the starch. They will use one powder. With that powder also we can use the starch powder. It will be, if you are going out, then we can ask starch powder, means then they will give. Or else if you are cooking the rice, from the rice, in the process of rice, after that cooking, after boiling, then we'll take some water out from the food. So with that water, that is also the starch. So we have to, if you want to test the starch, means what you have to do, either it is a good or it is a bad, means what you have to test, you have to take a test tube or a cup and add the iodine crystals, and then wait, mix it with water and wait till it comes like a good. So from that we can test the starch, either it is a good or a bad. And coming to the test of fat content food. What I said, what is the fat content food? What is the fat? Fat means oil and the butter. If it is a oily food and if it is a butter, so what we have to do, how we have to test it. So if you want to test for the fat content food, okay, take a small quantity of the sample food. For example, take an example of gare, and take that and take one paper. So keep the thing in paper and then see. Full of oil, right? So what you will tell that, if you are seeing that paper, how it will be? Like translucent. Translucent means what? If you are seeing from this side, then we can see clearly. Yeah, children? So that everyone will tell, don't eat more oily food. So now if you want to test for the starch and if you want to test for the fats, now you know the process, how to do the testing for the fats and how to do the testing for the starch. Yeah, children? So now if you are going to, if it is in your home, you will test it. Yes, children? I think everyone will do that. And so it is good to eat without that oil. So for example, if it is puri in your house, so use the papers, the tissue papers or the blotting papers, so that the oil will be stick to that. Then afterwards you can eat. So everyone will tell in TVs, like an advertisements, they will tell, if you eat freedom oil, then it will contain only less oil. With the less oil, we can eat more food. And all children, these are all advertisements. I am not trashing it, but you have to eat less oil to get more energy. If you want more energy, eat more fruits. How many fruits you want, you can eat. You can take more vegetables, raw vegetables. It is a carrot. Eat tomato. Like that, if you are taking it rawly, then it is good for your health. Don't eat fat content food more, like fat content foods like pizza, burger. Avoid that junk foods. So this is the time. So many people are telling that if you are avoiding junk food, then you will not affect with the corona. So these are all trashes. We can't trust that words. Okay, whatever it may be, they are telling for us. It is also good If you are not taking the junk foods more, then it is good for your health. So avoid taking junk foods more. So up to now we learned the test for the starch and test for the fats. Now we learn the test for the proteins. So if you want to test for the proteins, what do you want? You have to take 2% of copper sulfate. You have to take 2% of copper sulfate. Take 2% of copper sulfate and 10% of sodium hydroxide. How much? 10% of sodium hydroxide solution. You have to take 10% of sodium hydroxide solution. So what you have to do? We have to dissolve these two in the 2 grams of copper sulfate. So we have to take 2% of copper sulfate solution and 10% of sodium hydroxide solution. And what you have to do? You have to dissolve it. So 2% of copper sulfate is there, no? You have to dissolve it with 2 grams of copper sulfate. So you have to dissolve it in 100 ml of water. You have to take these 2 grams of 2% of copper sulfate and 10% of hydroxide solution, and you have to dissolve it in 100 ml water. You have to dissolve it in 100 ml water. Then what will happen? What will happen, children? If you are mixing it, then what will happen? Just do this and tell. And tomorrow I will explain how it will. Today you just try. I think it will not be with you people. Copper sulfate and hydroxide solutions are not with you. Okay, not an issue. So try to do the test for starch and fat. So you can do with the help of these 2 tests. We can do from your home. So the iodine crystals are present in your home. And for the process of fat also, we can see the papers are with you. So either it is a translucent, we can test. So these 2 tests we have to do. And in the third one, the test for the proteins, we will discuss it in detail in tomorrow class. So today what we discussed about the food components and the test for the fats and the test for the starch. So once recall it, children, and today's homework is you have to write your homework as this tabular form. The carbohydrates, what will happen if you eat carbohydrate food, what will get from the protein. So these are all you have to list out in a tabular form, and you have to take a snap and you have to send it to the nearby. Okay, children, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.
Ma, I pen